The triggerfish is one of the reef's most colorful and fearless creatures. With vibrant patterns and a bold attitude, it's known for fiercely defending its territory, could even chase away divers. Its name comes from a special, trigger, spine on its back that locks into place, helping it wedge into rocks and stay safe from predators. This fish isn't just tough, it's smart. Triggerfish use strong jaws to crush sea urchins, crabs, and coral, showing off both power and precision. Striking, smart, and full of personality, the triggerfish proves that beauty in the ocean often comes with bite. What do you know about this fascinating creature? Let me know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe.